Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? You're waking up early, giving your time to a job that you no longer want to be invested in? What if I told you there's a skill you can learn that can put money in your pocket daily? Forex trading. Simple. And I teach it one-on-one with a proven strategy that I do every single day that help people leave their 9-to-5 jobs. If you're serious about changing and want a real mentorship, a real one-on-one coach to give you real proven results, please DM me, leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to help. Alright, let's get back to this. Alright, so where was I at? Alright, we're on the 30 minute. So we do the daily for gold. This is the gold currency. I mean, not currency, but you know what I mean. Ooh, this is another choppy. Look how choppy this is. I mean, yeah, we're in a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We broke structure, but we're still here. We broke structure, but we're still here. So, we're still in our buys. So, all right, let's just go to the 4 hour. Let's really look down. Yeah, I wouldn't trade. This is too much. It's too choppy. You don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know. You could buy. Look, like there is this option. There is this option, but I mean, there is that option, but I mean, it could easily just tank down. Easily just like break all this support and just tank down. Or to continue going up. And that's how we do it. That's how I trade. Broke it down for y'all. No excuses. I'm just living life, y'all. Living life. I get bored, so now I want to just teach others. I find fulfillment, and when people are actually out here passing funded challenges and actually out here quitting their jobs. Do my coaching program. The link is in the bio. Quit your job. Working a job is ghetto. Oh, it's so ghetto working a job. Please listen to me. Alright, now that we got all that back up and going, let's look at USD JPY. This is going to be a quick chart breakdown. So we are on the daily. Obviously, we see sales. Daily, we're in sales. How do we know it's sales? Well, let me bring my handy dandy rectangle so I can clear it up for you. Well, we were right here. Now do you see why we're in sales? Is it clearing up? Hold on, I'm trying to move fast. We're in sales because price was right here, started breaking down. Prices right here, started breaking down. Prices right here, started breaking down. We're in sales. Alright, now let's go to our 4 hour. Now that we're in the 4 hour, we're in a big buy trend, but that does not mean we are going to be saying, oh, we're buying. Let's get our daily sales. 4 hour buys. Why are they buys? Let's break it down real quick. Again, prices right here, breaks through. Prices right here, breaks through. Prices right here, breaks through. What does that mean? Going up, buy, buy, buy. I'm making this super simple for y'all. Oh, y'all didn't even tell me my buys was spelled wrong over here. Alright. 30 minute. Sorry if I'm going fast. I feel like I show y'all every day. So y'all should be making money. So let's clear all this up. Let's clear all this up. And as y'all seen, the higher time frame, it always makes more. The higher time frame is always more important. So since the higher time frame was sales, hold on. This is a secret tip, y'all. This is a secret tip. Hold on. Where's my box? Where's the box we drew up? Here it goes. Alright, 30-minute. Let's go back. Zoom up. Alright. This is how you know when the market is going to turn. When this comes back down, since our daily is sells, our 4 hour is buys right now, we're going to take no trade right now. We'll put mutual because it's not buys or sells right now. It's just in a zigzag. So if this breaks for buys, fine, go ahead and buy. But the daily is sales. So when this starts selling down, just know we're going to be in sales for a long time because our daily is sales. But right now we have to wait. You see the market is open right now. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see that. You see the market's open right now. So I'm not doing replay mode or nothing. This is what we have to wait on. We have to wait for the market to come to us. This is how people lose trades. You see how this happened over here? It went up, touched, went down, broke. We want to see that over here. We want to see it break, come up, touch, come down. Alright, y'all, we're done with this one. See y'all tomorrow.